In this video, we'll explore two major categories of generative AI tools. First, we'll break down large language models, LLMs, highlighting tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. Next, we'll shift to other content creation tools, including DALL-E, Midjourney, Synthesia, and SoundRaw. Generative AI is reshaping how we interact with technology, making tasks faster, smarter, and more creative. But not all generative AI tools are the same. Let's dive into the differences between two broad categories: large language models, LLMs, and other content generation tools. First, let's talk about large language models, or LLMs. These are AI models designed to understand and generate human-like text based on vast amounts of language data. ChatGPT, one of the most widely used LLMs, is known for its conversational abilities. It's designed for general-purpose communication, coding assistance, and creative writing. Gemini emphasizes powerful real-time knowledge access, integrating with Google's search for fact-based responses. It's useful for research and precise, up-to-date answers. Claude focuses on providing reliable, ethical outputs. It's ideal for professionals concerned about responsible AI usage. Perplexity AI combines conversational AI with strong citation-based responses. This makes it suitable for research-oriented tasks. Now, let's shift our focus to tools that generate other types of content, like images, videos, and music. DALL-E generates stunning images based on text prompts. It's popular among artists, marketers, and designers for creating high-quality visuals. Midjourney creates more imaginative and stylized images, often leaning towards surreal or highly detailed artwork. It's favored by digital artists. Synthesia enables video content creation with talking avatars. It's ideal for professional training videos and educational content. SoundRaw generates customizable music tracks based on user preferences. It's useful for video producers, game developers, and musicians seeking AI-generated background music. Generative AI tools, whether LLMs or content creators, have distinct features and use cases. LLMs focus on text-based intelligence, while tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, Synthesia, and SoundRaw offer diverse creative outputs. Choose the right tool for your goals. Explore, experiment, and find the right generative AI tool that suits your needs. The AI world is vast, and the possibilities are endless.